Okay.
All right, guys, we're going to do a quick, fast-minute round of the game Heads Up. And the category is just for kids, right? You guys gonna help me out?
DeGeneres.
Go, Ellen. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Okay. Okay, go. Place on forehead. Okay, yeah. 2, 1, go. It's not a square.
A triangle.
Yeah.
Wow.
We're off to see.
Wizard!
Yeah.
Oh, Scooby.
Yeah. It light up my world like nobody.
One Direction.
No.
What makes you
One of the
beautiful?
guys.
Oh, Niall.
No.
Harry.
Yeah. I'm driving, but I'm.
I need to wake up and call to get to the
Cab? Uber?
Yeah.
Oh, taxi?
Yeah.
Umbrella.
Yes.
Yeah.
Werewolves and
Kirsten
vampires.
Really bad movie
Halloween.
filmed in Vancouver.
Kristen Stewart.
Twilight.
Vampire.
Yes, he got it.
It's
gone.
Dead battery.
What's the
Dead
password?
battery. It's black.
2-5.
Tune in to Some Assembly Required.
What is it?